In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a paywall inside of RevenueCat for your iOS app. If they press continue, we hear that cha-ching. First, we're going to set everything up in App Store Connect. Then we're going to configure RevenueCat in the dashboard. We'll install the SDK in our iOS app. We'll then show the paywall and then perform some testing. Go to App Store Connect, click on your app, and then at the bottom, go to subscriptions. Here, create a new subscription group. In my case, I called it Premium Access. And then here you can set the grace period. I just put it to 28 days. So we click on this. We'll need to create a new subscription by pressing plus. Reference name, put Premium Monthly or Premium Annual. And then for product ID, you'll want to put something like this, like Premium_Monthly. And then here for localization, make sure you select your language, and then you can put something like Premium Access and then the app name. Once you've created your subscription, you can click inside of it. Here, this is going to be the reference name. We'll make sure all countries are selected. Here we'll have the price. So if you press plus, you can create a price here. In my app, I've configured it for $70 per year. And here you could also put free trials. Right now I have free for the first week. Then localization, same thing. I just put Premium Access. And then this is the description here. Then when you actually are submitting this for review, make sure you put your review notes and have a screenshot of where to find this in the app. Once you have all your subscriptions, like monthly and annual, you can now go to RevenueCat. On RevenueCat, go here on the left side where it says Product Catalog. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Products, click New Product, click your app, and then Import Products. So no new products are found because I already imported my products. But once you've imported your products, you can then see them down here, and then we need to create an entitlement. So go to Entitlements, create your identifier. So in this case, I put Premium, full access to premium features. Click on this and you can see the monthly, weekly, and annual. And then go back to offerings, go to default offering, and then make sure your packages are enabled here. Sometimes they'll show up as RC annual or RC monthly. Now go to paywall and then go to editor. And here you can set up your paywall. So I have mine set up like this. I have the app icon, the title, some headline, social proof up here, the features, and then here I have the ratings. You can see the componentry on the left side here. So package stack, we have one package, and this package unlocks annual access for the top one, and the bottom one unlocks monthly access. But if I want to change it to weekly, I would just select it right here. If you need any help with this, feel free to reach out to me on YouTube or on X. Link will be in the description below. Once you've made your changes, click on Save Draft and then click Publish Changes. Now our paywall is all set up. What you're now going to want to do on Xcode is go to File, Add Package Dependencies, and then here type in Purchases, and then select this Purchases iOS SPM. This is the RevenueCat package library. Make sure you're able to import RevenueCat and RevenueCat UI. The UI is going to be for the paywall. Inside of your app delegates, make sure you import RevenueCat and then do purchases, configure, and then you put your API key from RevenueCat from the dashboard. And then you can also set the delegates to listen to any delegate events. I have my key commented out right here. Here's an example of what I'm doing for the purchases delegates. On the receive updated, I'm first checking if the entitlement has premium, which is what we set up in RevenueCat. This is me granting extra tokens for the user in my stock paper trading app. Now to display the paywall, make sure you import RevenueCat UI. And then what I do is I create a new paywall view using PaywallView like this with nothing in the initializer. And then I present it because this is a SwiftUI view, but I'm doing this in my UIKit app. So if we go into PaywallView, we can see this is the RevenueCat PaywallView here. For easy local development testing, go to File, New, File from Template, type in StoreKit, and then create a new StoreKit configuration file and call it products.storekit. And then you can sync this with what's in App Store Connect. So here I have the group Premium Access, Premium Annual, Premium Monthly, and Premium Weekly. Now let's run this app. But before we run, go to Edit Scheme, and then here under Options, make sure StoreKit configuration is selected to Products, so that we'll be using this local file for development purposes. First, there's going to be an onboarding, so I ask users a couple of questions and then press Continue. And here's where the paywall is displayed. Now, if someone selects monthly plan, they see the Start 1 week free trial. And if they press Continue, it will then show you're getting 1 week free trial starting today, and then after 1 week, you're going to pay $50 per year. And this is only for testing purposes. So if we press subscribe, We hear that cha-ching. Your purchase was all set. And now this person has a premium account. If you want to see the live paywall that I built, go check out Stocks and Paper Trading. Link will be in the description below. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos in the future. Thank you for watching.